Sanda darling, by changes I mean good morning text, good night text, hello my darling, uthi kaze kayiphila isoft life, uthi yinto engangiyigcine nini leyo. Oh good morning, oh good night. Manje sengibathola every day. Kanti then bengibathola nje once a month. Lokho nje ngagcina ukuthiswa kanje sisasanda kudola. Uthi hayibo washintsha umfana. Eke ngifanele ukuthi nje hello baby. Kune delivery yakho ezayo. Uma ngithi boom, bloomers, ama flower mina, the whole me receiving flowers. Uthi ngithi guys, this life is like uthi ngendlela ngimthanda ngayo lo mfana, uthi ngimane ngimthande ngishe even more. Uthi ngendlela engimthanda ngayo ngisho ngaqhamuka umuntu onegama elifane lakhe kumane ukuthi angiyibhuquze phansi uma ngizwa nje igama lakhe, uthi ayibo guys kumnandi emjoyini yethu, uthi sesenza ngisho i-video call ka 3 hours. Uthi ngendlela nje okokuyona sesingakaze sayenza ngisho i-video call ka 3 hours. Uthi kumnandi, uthi kokunye ngifanele ngibuza ukuthi ngiright, ngithi ngiright, athi ayi okay. Uma ngithi angikho right qathatha, ngithi njengamanje usela uzongicheck. Uthi ayibo kwaze kwamnandi emjolweni wami, uthi kwaze kwamnandi, uthi kokunye ngeke ngimfice esepakile phambi kwendlu yami nje ezonginika ihug nama flowers. Uthi hayibo umfana wayidilika wayehla inqola yamantombazana. Uthi wawehla umthwalo wamantombazana lawade engivela yena. Uthi wayehla lo nqola. Uthi hayibo ngithi ngimfonela nominina anti ucinga ethi hello dad. Uthi hayibo guys kwaze kwamnandi. Uthi abangani bami behambe beyinotice le soft life le mpilo enhle esengiyiphilayo. Bengibuza hayibo kwenze njani, uSibanibani washintsha kangaka, uSibanibani use nice, use romantic, akanqenje ukulethela ama flowers in front of us, like he's showing off, like what is happening. Uthi ngibatshela ukuthi ngiyenzani. Mase ngiyasho ukuthi guys I wouldn't advise ukuthi nikwenze lokho engikwenzile. Bethi hayi udliwa umona nje now ufuna ukuthi sibe treated nicely bla bla bla, umuvu lo muntu utholakalaphi. Uthi hayi ngibatshela ukuthi utholakalaphi. Uthi behambe. Uthi hayi abangani baze bayiphila isoft life. Uthi baze bayiphila isoft life. Uthi abanye bathengele imoto, abanye bla 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 bakhishwa kuma trip high standards. Uthi nje ngathi ay abadilele into zabo, mina ngiright la othandweni lami nje nalama flowers engiwatholayo nje ngiright ngawo, angidinge trip, angidinge imoto, ngiright nje umuntu wami engithanda nje, that's all I need. Uthi ke hayi one day ke angifonele athi Dalukephi. Uthi kwangabo 4 ngisanda clock emsebenzini. Uthi angibuza ukuthi Dalukephi, ngithi ngisendleleni endlini. Ethi ayi okay, konke eserious mama engifuna ukuyikhuluma nawe. Uthi hayi ngithi okay. Uthi nangempela mangithi ngiyafika usepakile lapha aphuma nginike hug as always and a chocolate. Uthi hayi ke singene endlini isixoxe. Ethi ayi mama yazi ngiyakhumbula la ukuthi khona isithembiso engangikwenzele sona sasanda qala ukuthandana, sokuthi one day ngiyafisa ukuthi ngiyovela kini nje nawe ekhaya waziwe ngoku-official. Ethi sisiya I remember, yes I remember. Ethi ya mama I think sesifikile ke leso sikhathi sami ukuthi ngisigcine leso sithembiso. Uthi